The Volvo XC40 key fob uses a CR2032 battery. To replace it, first ensure your vehicle is off. Locate the small notch on the fob, usually near the keyring. Use a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to gently separate the two halves of the fob. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage. Some models have a release button, so check for that before prying. Once open, you'll see the battery compartment. Remember to work in a well-lit area to avoid losing parts. With the fob open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the correct orientation positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Ensure it's seated correctly. Snap the two halves of the key fob back together firmly until you hear a click. Test the fob by pressing the buttons from a short distance from your vehicle to confirm it's working. Dispose of the old battery responsibly. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and that the battery is new.